The garden goes back to the 90s when our chapter of the Native Plant Society planted the garden initially. But then there was a long gap in people coming up here and actually taking care of the garden. Our current chapter finally decided we needed to take care of the garden again. The Native Plant Society of New Mexico is a nonprofit organization that strives to educate the public about native plants by promoting knowledge of plant identification, ecology, and uses, fostering plant conservation and the preservation of natural habitats, supporting botanical research, and encouraging the appropriate use of native plants to conserve water, land, and wildlife. So around 300 native plants at Dripping Springs. And we have been working on adding plants that actually grow here, locotillos, sotol, all the agaves, and the barrel cactus. Those are perfectly fine things for people to have in their yards. Any cacti species that is native are appropriate for people's gardens.
The community needs to know more about the native plants, how it supports the local ecology of the insects and hummingbirds, butterflies pollinate the flowers, and they're dependent on it's like the food chain, everything interrelates. So if you take away the plants, all the animals that are around here will eventually go away too. We come out about once every month on the average, sometimes every 2 weeks, depending on what needs to be done. People are welcome to come help out without being members. You can get in touch with any of us in the organization to find out about how to volunteer or help out.
So we always have a monthly meeting with a speaker and a monthly field trip, and anybody can come. They can go to our website, which is npsnm.org. It's an honor, I think, to have these plants in our yard. And they're very special.